Your partner is not going to change just because you want them to. So how do you communicate so that your partner can hear? They have got to want to, and their willingness to want to depends a lot on how you raise things between you. As the sender, the one telling the other what you want and how you want to feel, it's your responsibility to say things in such a way that they want to listen. So here are a few strategies. Number 1, use I statements, not you statements. Say, I feel lonely, I feel upset. You don't say, you are never home, or you leave me out. You statements feel like judgments and accusations, because they are, while I statements invite your partner to understand how you are feeling. Number 2, be brief and clear. Rambling on and on puts you in danger of flooding your partner with more words and emotions than they can handle. Using too many words is a problem for both turtles and hailstormers. Remember these we covered in Module 4? Flooding your partner with you statements makes them feel attacked and they throw up their defences, which is exactly the thing that triggers you most, and suddenly you're deep in an argument. You might feel victimised or worried that they're never going to change, and you can feel yourself slipping into a familiar vicious cycle. Another thing you can do, number 3, is to choose only one frustration at a time. You want your partner to respond, so choose only one frustration and state it briefly. If they need more information or examples, trust me, they'll ask. Number 4, approach your partner when you are feeling calm. Ask any communication expert and they'll tell you that over 90% of how someone receives information depends on how you send it. So pay attention to any non-verbal clues, such as arms folded, like this, body turned away, tone of voice, and adapt what you say accordingly. If you see that they're being hostile and unreceptive, don't ignore that and carry on anyway. Leave it until another time. So number 5, starting the conversation. It's often surprising how hard it can be for couples to start difficult conversations with each other. We can feel shy and awkward or fear an uncomfortable reaction, even though this is your partner and supposedly your best friend. So here you are with the one person in the world who is supposed to know you best of all, with whom you share all kinds of things and do the most intimate things with, and it can be really hard to begin some conversations. In my practice, I teach couples to use the phrase, I'd like to have a conversation with you about that argument we had yesterday, or our sex life. Is now a good time? Is now a good time? The other has the right to say no, but they should agree to an appointment within 24 hours. It may sound very clinical, and you're right, it is. It helps you to separate it from your day-to-day conversations, and it can be a very good way to create a safe boundary. So what I'd like you to do now is go away and practice your imago appreciation, which is attached to this module as a download. And if necessary, start a conversation about a specific topic, using the attached dialogue. We have attached one on intimacy and sex. If you struggle and can't quite get it right, don't stop trying. What I'm giving you here are some lifetime skills, and it can be hard to get everything right immediately. It's through failures that we learn. Slowly, as you learn more about your partner's underlying fears and innate responses and how you trigger each other, your relationship can transform into a more conscious one. This is the most important tool in reigniting your relationship. So, I'll see you in the next module where we will explore anger and jealousy.